The IkeeRuic 12-pack Christmas yard lights create a vivid, flame-like multicolor glow that instantly makes a holiday display look more polished and festive. Because they run on solar power with an integrated panel, these lights turn on automatically at dusk and provide many hours of illumination without any wiring or outlet nearby. Each stake-style light is simple to assemble and press into the ground, so decorating a long pathway, garden border, or front yard can be done quickly. The durable plastic housings and sealed design handle rain, snow, frost, and summer heat well, making them reliable for repeated outdoor holiday seasons. Their compact torch-inspired shape is small enough to tuck among plants, yet bright enough to outline walkways and frame porches attractively. As with any solar decor, performance depends on placement and sunlight. But when positioned in a clear, sunny spot, these lights offer an easy, low-maintenance way to add colorful Christmas charm.